is you pull the trigger, the gun goes click, just like with a misfire. But the only difference with a hangfire is that the gun does eventually discharge. And sometimes as long as 10 seconds later. So you pull the trigger, the gun goes click, then about 10 seconds later, then it goes bang. And there's a certain subset of people in the population who that when things don't happen as they thought they should, they start having some weird thoughts about what to do with their firearm.
Oh my God.
The gun goes click and it doesn't go bang. So what do? They start violating this gun safety rule.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, they'll point it and they'll look down the barrel and position that barrel right in the middle of their face. And then their gun will discharge and go bang, and they just blew half their face off. You technically have shot yourself. You pulled the trigger, the gun discharged, you shot yourself in the face. It might even be considered